In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger notifications not working on an iPhone. This is also going to work on an Android, but the settings are just a little bit different, so it's going to work with both devices, just keep that in mind. Before we do dive into this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to fix your Messenger notifications not working, let's go ahead and go through this step by step. The first thing that you're going to want to do is swipe down in the top right corner of your screen and go to the control center and just make sure that you do not have do not disturb turned on. If you do have it on, it's obviously going to silence calls and notifications. Also check to see if low power mode is enabled. If so, turn it off because it can limit background activity for apps like Messenger. That being said, if that's not the case, go ahead and open up the Messenger app and tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner and then select settings from this page. What you're going to want to do is scroll down on this page until you see the notifications tab. Go ahead and select that. And if do not disturb is enabled on here, go ahead and turn that off as well. And finally, go ahead and exit out of Messenger and open up your settings app on your device and go ahead and find the notification settings within here. And once you do get on the notification settings, what you're going to want to do is make sure that show previews is on always, just because it's going to ensure message previews appear whenever they arrive. And finally, if you're still having issues, go ahead and fully restart your phone, just because a quick reboot often fixes lingering notification issues. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.